My name's Layla. And, I'm the purple lover. Yeah. 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 So, well, if you're gonna be like me, you got a purple everywhere. Purple desk, purple flower, purple shoes, purple drink, and a purple crystal chicken. And yes, you gotta have a purple crystal chicken, or else, no. So everyone, this is my first YouTube video. What is it? What? Tell me! Well, it name's actually YouTube. Ugh. Oh. Well, everyone, this is my first YouTube video. So, here I'm gonna show you what to wear and which makeup to shop in my first episode. First off, wearing stuff, I always wear purple. Okay? Yeah, okay, we're clear. Yeah. And second of all, makeup. Yeah. So, to make it easier for you, I'm just gonna show you what to wear. Okay, so, oh, this is kinda heavy, kinda workout too. So, you gotta have lip gloss, purple lip gloss. So let's just put it over here. And then you gotta have purple eyeshadow. And then last but definitely not least, mascara. Purple mascara. First off, I will take the eyeshadow. Okay, let's get started. Let's open this. Open! So finally, after like 1 hour, I opened it. Yeah. Okay, so I'm just gonna put some on, just like there. Some here. Oh, that is so perfect. You know what? It will just be easier if I just put my whole face in here. Oh my gosh, so pretty! Just a little bit more with the brush. So cute! So now it's time for... excuse me! Sorry about that, my cameraman is so stupid! Okay, so let's get some lip gloss. Okay, so let's put it on. Purple! Tastes kind of good too. Perfect. It's okay if it gets some... What? Cameraman! Stupid cameraman! Oh well, let's go to the mascara. My face. So let's put some on. Ooh, kind of sparkly. But I love it. So cute. This looks amazing. So perfect. Cameraman, you're fired. Okay, so this is how you will look with purple clothes and a lot of purple makeup. So I see you in my next episode. So in the comments, tell what's your favorite color. It's probably purple, right? Yeah. So bye, and wear purple. Purple.